Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to set up stop loss on Bitget. Alright, so first up, go ahead over to either futures or spot. Okay, for example, just spot right here. We're using the sample Doge USDT as a trading pair. Let's just wait for it to load. Once it loads, go ahead and go to the trading section right here. Spot, it could be limit or market. For example, market. Now you could enable TPSL. Okay. Now, say for example, you have entered an amount, and then when you go ahead over to advanced right here, we have the TP and SL. So SL is stop loss, TP is take profit. So let's say you have entered your TP or take profit, then you could go ahead and enter the SL or the stop loss. You can just go ahead and use the slider right here or input the amount of your position that you wanted to protect, of course. And then once done, just hit on OK. All right. And after that, go ahead and click on buy and you're good to go. All right. That's how easy it is to set up stop loss on Bitget. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.